Hello everybody, welcome back to a velocity test. I haven't done this one in a while. Today we're going to be doing a velocity test on the Galaxy 6708. Velocity test is fans in front of it can spin at full speed is 1 point, half speed is half a point. And I'll show you that in a moment. And my brother is laughing. So if that's what that is, then that's what that is. Here's high, or on, or whatever. Get a startup sound, actually. Pencrest is moving. Cirrus fan is not moving. Let me boost it. See if it stays. Oh, the Cirrus fan is going, and it's actually staying at full speed. The Galaxy fan is now shaking back and forth. How much power is winding right through that fan? See, looks like the S223 needs a booster. Can't get it. And the S223 is... Oh, looks like it's gonna stop. Let me remove this paper. Oh, it's staying. Ladies and gentlemen, the S223 is staying. This is considered 2 full speed fans and 1 half speed fan. Final result is 2 fans and a half a finger. I don't know. Nice. Good job, Galaxy fan. So, Galaxy fan, final result is 2 fans at full speed and 1 point. I mean, 1/2 a point. Because the S223 spun at slower speed. Good job there, Galaxy fan. Right now, the S223 is at the same score, and so is the Cirrus fan. See you guys in the next one. Bye.